I got the mountain tattoo. Sorry, I'm trying to move this. I got the mountain tattoo because, am I a boy? No. I got the mountain tattoo because it's a cover-up tattoo. B, I really like hiking and trail running in the mountains. What is my job? I am a digital content creator. Thanks. It is winter, so I'm probably cold. I'm not going to tell you where I'm moving to. I do not live alone. I live with my dog. I have a cat too. Oh, so you're nothing. I'm pretty sure my bank statements prove that I actually have a job. I would be homeless if I didn't have a job, so. Oh man, I don't know why people are so mean today. The tattoo does not really go down much lower. They work fine for me. Thanks. I'm not going for a run today. I'm taking today off. The weather is kind of crappy today, so. No, I'm 33 years old. Aw, thank you. Thanks for all the follows. Thank you. It's not a particular mountain range. I just told the tattoo artist to draw whatever would cover up my other tattoo. I have friends. I'm just kind of like, don't have that many friends, or at least I don't really have that many close friends, and I prefer to like do things on my own. Thanks. I'm 33. Thanks for the rose. Yes, I'm 33. Thanks. But I don't really have much family either. Thank you. I'm glad I inspired you. I live in the United States. I do a lot of trail running, yeah. I have sweatpants on, but I can show you this leg tattoo. It's kind of hard to see. Too bad what I did to my body. Oh man. I guess I do have an OF. Everything is on my Instagram. I do like beards. I don't like stubble, so I like either shaved or beard. Thanks, have a good day. A lot of trolls this morning. It's because it's a little later in the morning, I guess. Hi from Colorado. My first crush was a redhead. He gave me a necklace. It's like a mint green. Oh yeah, that's my cat purring. Aw, thank you. What sounds dangerous? Thank you. Good morning from Alabama. It was not a pearl necklace, no. I don't really consider myself to be skinny. I got some meat. I have trails on my calf, and then I have a bunny on the side and a squirrel on the side. I'm 5'2". Oh, guys, I don't know if you remember. I don't know if you remember last time I was on here, somebody asked if I had any bad habits, and I said I chew a lot of gum. Well, it has been 24 hours since I've chewed gum. I'm trying to quit. Oh, my dog eats bunnies. It's sad. I'm not a single mom. I'm not a mom. I've never had kids. Chewing gum is a bad habit when you're chewing like a pack of gum a day. It's bad. My jaw will hurt. It's not fun. I spend like a lot of money on gum, and then I have like gum and wrappers everywhere. And I keep biting my lip accidentally. No gum for 24 hours. Next step, the White House. I think so. I did quit chewing gum for like a year, but then I just came right back to it. I used to smoke cigarettes, and that's why I'm addicted to chewing gum now, because when I was quitting smoking cigarettes, I started chewing gum instead, and yeah. My favorite tattoo is my little bunny right here.